Yes, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a brand new episode of Halal Munchies. It's going to be a one taker, but it's not going to be a one breath. Zishan fish and chips in Rochdale. Let's go straight into it. We have these samosa. Look at that. They're nice and warm, man. Look at that. How's that looking, brother? Should we get the little... Oh, look at them. Let's get into them first. Bismillah. Proper pastry, none of that Tweedale pastry. With keema in there, potatoes, really nice. Those are good. Gonna get some of this. Is this tandoori chicken and chips? Is it, mate? Oh dear! Look at that! Wow! Just look at that. How's that looking, cameraman? Really good. Let's try this, you guys. Much different to the international chippy. Oh my god, that is delicious. Chippy chips. Is that cabbage again, eh?
Yeah, it's the cabbage.
Oh wow. I'm gonna keep chomping and chomping. That is delicious. Guys, we're gonna wrap it up with there. These Zishan fish and chips. Thumbs up from me.